day 2 and I'm getting stuck into it now. I've pulled out a drum of undercoat and got it tinted up, and what I've done now is I've just pulled out a drum of Wash and Wear Super Hide Plus in low sheen. Now the colour that we're going to do is called Feather Soft. So that's the colour we're going to use to try and cover this crap. Now that's one coat of it over that brown. So hopefully, now I'm expecting 3 coats. I mean, not too much will cover that brown. That brown's pretty out there. And I've pulled the gun out, and I've also done inside this cupboard. That's just with undercoat. I've also brushed around with oil-based undercoat around that kitchen because there's a lot of fat in that around kitchens. So I've also brushed around there and up near the cornice and stuff like that. So that'll just be prepped now and final coated. Then we've got, I just sprayed, this was another dark feature wall, dark brown. So I've just quickly sprayed a coat over that. So you can see the difference there. I'll let that dry off. I'm better off rolling rather than spraying. Definitely better off rolling. Better coverage, less paint. Also sprayed a coat over here. I don't know if I was going to do the sealant in this colour or not. Not sure exactly, but anyhow, that's the first coat on that. What else have I done? Oh yeah, we've got, I've gone through and put a coat on in these cupboards. So I'll just gap them skirtings. I'll probably pull out, change the gun over and spray finish these and have them finished inside. I'd like to actually prep these, seal the gaps. All that's got to be cut out and gapped. So I'd like to be able to do that and then undercoat with this finished paint. We've just taken that door off there. We wanted to get some new hinges. I've sprayed inside this cupboard as well. So you can see it's drying off. Now that's just undercoat. And I've just gone down around the bottom there and just run some paper down there. So I've actually got up right up underneath all these. So all good. Looks great. I've gone around and finished my undercoating on my window boxes. All of them except for maybe a couple, and we've got another couple of cupboards here that I've also first coated with that undercoat to get rid of that dark brown. It's going to cover beautifully in the next coat. Same one here, same thing. Should just open these windows up, let some air in, let it dry off, and I might be able to finish them today. Them closed, that's silly. Yeah, so I'll probably come in these rooms and roll a coat over all these walls. Don't know if I'll get to them, to be honest. I'll get to some walls. I sprayed a coat over this wall here as well, so you can see the difference there. It's still a little bit dark, it's got a light tan to it. Well, that's the finished coat over there, that's the coat, the original paint, and this is the new one. Even though it's a little bit dark, it's still going to be nice. It's going to be light, it's going to lighten this up. I'm worried that the owner's going to say, oh no, that's still too dark, but it's really not. It's quite nice. Yeah, so now let's get back to rolling this wall. Now I pulled out a new Dulux Excellence sleeve. So that's all done. So we're wearing in a brand new sleeve.
And you know everything about me. choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 again. Choices you made, would you make them again?
All the choices you made, would you make them again?